In this story, we bring you highlights of Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's recent announcement focusing on significant developments for Bihar and its historic temples. During her Union Budget speech on July 23rd, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman unveiled ambitious plans for the Vishnupath Temple in Gaya and the Mahabodhi Temple in Bodh Gaya. These corridor projects are set to transform these sacred sites into world-class pilgrim and tourist destinations, modelled after the successful Kashi Vishwanath Temple corridor. Let's delve into the significance of these two temples. The Vishnupath Temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, holds a prominent place in Hindu mythology. Legend tells of a demon named Gayasur, who, after receiving powers to grant moksha, misused them. Lord Vishnu intervened, placing his foot on the demon's head, sending him to the underworld. Today, a 40-centimeter imprint of Vishnu's foot is believed to be located in the temple, drawing devotees who come during Pitru Paksh to perform rituals in remembrance of their ancestors. Built in 1787 by Queen Ahilyabai Holkar, the Vishnupath Temple stands on the banks of the Falgu River, featuring a towering structure adorned with 44 pillars. Moving to the Mahabodhi Temple in Bodh Gaya, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is revered as the place where Gautam Buddha attained nirvana under the Mahabodhi tree. The temple's striking architecture, with its height of 170 feet, dates back to the 5th, 6th centuries and represents one of the earliest examples of brick construction from the Gupta period. As noted by UNESCO, the Mahabodhi Temple complex is a major pilgrimage site, attracting visitors from around the world. The budget acknowledges the need of enhanced infrastructure and public amenities to accommodate the growing influx of pilgrims while preserving the site's spiritual and historical essence. In addition to these temple projects, Bihar has received several other important announcements in this year's budget, highlighting the state's role in national politics. With the Janata Dal United securing 12 seats in the 2024 general elections and being part of the NDA coalition, Bihar's influence is significant. Other states such as Andhra Pradesh have also seen considerable budget allocations, including Rs 15,000 crore for the development of Amravati, its new capital. As India continues to evolve, these investments in religious and infrastructural projects reflect the government's commitment to enhancing cultural heritage and regional development. Stay tuned for more updates on the impact of these initiatives.